What's up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can download apps on your Windows PC. You can download like Instagram, Facebook, any app that you use on your phone. You can download it on your PC or laptop easily guys by following the steps in this video. Just make sure that you are using Windows because this doesn't work on Mac laptops. So make sure you are using Windows. Let's start right now. If you want to download guys apps on your Windows, all you have to do, you want to click on type here to search at the very bottom, at the bottom left. Click on type here to search and search for Microsoft Store. Okay, make sure you search for Microsoft Store, and then you want to click on open. As you can see in the right, it says here open. Click on it. Now the Microsoft Store will be we will open now Microsoft Store. Now here is exactly how you can download any app. In the top it says there's search apps. Click on it and then search for any app you want. For example, Facebook. Now after you click Facebook, click on it and then click on download or install. It says here install. Click on it and wait for it to install. It will only take a few seconds to install. As you can see guys, it doesn't take that long to install apps on your Windows, so just wait for it a few seconds. And it says here open. Like you can find this app when you search for Facebook. For example, Facebook, search for Facebook and you will find the app. When you search for Facebook, you will find the app that you have downloaded on your PC or laptop. Click on Facebook and Facebook will be opened. Now you can use it as you want. If you want to drag this Facebook to your where you can see your programs, just click on it and hold and drag it to your desktop here if you want. It doesn't really like this, and you can open it whenever you want like this. So hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like. But if you want to download like games, for example, you want to download all Android games and apps, click the video in the screen right now and you will be able to download any app you want. It's like you have an Android or iPhone phone on your laptop. Like it will look like, whenever you want, it will look like that. So click the video in the screen to download any. I'll see you guys next video.